Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I am going to show you how I have earned $345 from Clickbank. I will show you my earnings from the Clickbank account, then I will show you what is the method I am using, and the last one I will show you how you can copy my system and make money online. Before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. At first, I will take you to the clickbank.com and show you what is Clickbank. Clickbank is actually a marketplace, is actually a digital marketplace where you find all the digital products. It is a free to join platform and you would find tons of affiliate offers that you can promote and you can earn money. It is one of the largest digital affiliate marketplace out there, and for creating an account you just need to click on a create account. Here you need to provide your personal information, banking information and account information. Make sure to provide the correct banking information, because using that banking information, Clickbank will send your earning to your bank account. Once you created your account with the Clickbank, then log into the Clickbank account, and after login to the system, just click on the affiliate marketplace. And this is a marketplace from where you can select your niche, and after selecting your niche, just move to that niche and find the right product. Let's suppose if I click on the e-business and e-marketing, this is actually a make money niche. This page you will find a lot of affiliate products and you can sort those products using different things. I generally prefer to sort those products using gravity. So here you will see that this product has a 91 gravity and it is offering an average affiliate commission of $13. Gravity means, if higher the gravity, just assume that larger number of affiliates are making money. So we should choose a product that has the highest gravity, because we want to step in those products where already those affiliates are making money. Now I will take you to my Clickbank account, and first I will show you my earning proof, that is $345. And this is my earning proof. This is the vendor page and this is the affiliate page. As you are seeing that current sales $56 and the last month's sales $345. And this is the daily earning proof and this is the weekly earning proof. So this is the last month earnings. This is my live earning proof. And this is my Clickbank account. So I have already moved to the vendor and now affiliate. So you can check that this is the genuine earnings that I have shown to you. And now you are thinking that how I have earned this money. I have earned this money using affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing, I have just portrayed affiliate marketing using a simple diagram. In affiliate marketing, you may use different types of affiliate marketing, but for guidance purpose, I have just shown you a most common business model that are using nowadays, in which you create your landing page. That landing page includes an opt-in form, and your task is to drive traffic to that landing page. You can use free traffic sources, or you can use paid traffic sources. Once you drive traffic to your landing page, then those visitors will click on the opt-in form and they provide their email addresses. You may be thinking that why they provide their email addresses, because on the landing page you will provide value to your visitors. And once you provide value, then those visitors will, more than happy to provide their email addresses. And when those visitors provide their email addresses, that will be stored in the autoresponder. And in the autoresponder, you have already set in a pre-written series of email, and those pre-written email series will then be sent it to those subscribers on a daily basis. All you need is to set up that autoresponder once, and once it gets done, then it will be done automatically. Once those visitors provide their email addresses, then those visitors will then forward to the affiliate offer. Affiliate offer is actually the product that you have selected from the Clickbank. and once those people click on that product and buy that product, or if they do not buy that product, then the emails that you will send from your autoresponder will definitely include your affiliate link. And when those people read your email and they take action as described by you in your email, then you will earn affiliate commission. This is the most basic form of affiliate marketing, and I am earning money using affiliate marketing. Now you may be thinking that how you can learn this system. I have already shared tons of videos for you running your affiliate marketing business. But if you want to join a program that is nowadays #1 recommended system out there, and people are making tons of money using that system, then I have mentioned that link in my description box. Just click on that link and I highly recommend to join that system. There is no excuse for you, because the people who are taking actions are making money. If you just do not take action, then after 1 year you still thinking that how to join, how to make money, and how to use affiliate marketing business. So do not waste your time and join this system for today. It is #1 recommended system out there nowadays. And if you like this video, click the like button. Please make sure to subscribe my channel to get more related videos. And if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.